So today we're going to change the cabin air filter. So what is the cabin air filter? Most, I want to say all, but most vehicles have a cabin air filter. So think of it like this. It's the filter that when you have your vents open, that filters out the outside air coming into your car, or better yet, when you have it on recirc. As the air is circulating, it's filtering out the air. Pretty much think of it like your furnace in your house, that filter that's there when you have the heater on or the air conditioner on and it filters out the air in your house. That's what this is doing. It's so simple, something so small, something that's so neglected. This thing right here, 19 bucks for my car, Hyundai. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are more. I wanted to say most cars have them because I have a Trailblazer and that year doesn't have one. So there's modifications that people have been doing, which I'm going to do it myself, to add one to the vehicle that does not have one. But these things tend to get really nasty. So let's dive into this and see how dirty this one is. Mind you, this car is 2018 and it is 2021 right now. So majority of them are located behind your glove box. Some are easier to get to than others. But typically, what you have to do is empty your glove box and remove certain components. So as you can see right here, we have to actually unfasten these. What this does is it stops the door from dropping all the way down. As you can see on this side, it's really just a catch. Did you see the door drop? That's what happens. And then here, remove. Yes. So as you can see, like there's like a little arm here to actually help the door go up and down. And this is where you replace your cabin air filter. As you can see, it's pointing upward, just like your filter at home for your furnace. The filter points in a certain direction. As you can see, this is pointing upward. So easy on this one. Some of them are underneath. And let's take this guy out. As you can see, look how dirty this is. This is completely gross. Not as filthy as I thought it was going to be. You see how it catches all kinds of stuff, all the leaves and all the grime. So I mean, technically, if you wanted to, you can clean it out. But I'll put a new one in. And when you take it out of the box, it actually comes with directions. That's too easy. Fresh out the box, as we're going to put it in. Remember, we've seen that arrow? Here it is again. So, when we go to place it inside, pointing upward, arrow up, and in. Too easy. That's it. Then we're going to put everything back together in reverse mode. And then we're complete. See how simple that was? And these things never get changed. Never. This car's 3 years old, and as you can see how dirty it is, you can tell it's never been changed. I've seen some that are worse than that. But my next video, I'm actually going to put out how to freshen up your car after doing this. You want to do a whole car air freshener. So I'll show you how to do that, but I think everybody should change their cabin air filter, but that's the easy way. All right, everybody, have a good day. Peace. So I definitely want to add this in. So just changed out my air filter about 10 minutes ago. I noticed earlier today I had the AC on and it seemed like it was fighting to stay cold. Now this might be just me, but after I changed the filter, I'm driving now and it seems like my AC just feels cooler. And I can definitely notice the difference in the smell. The car didn't smell before, but it's more neutral smelling now. But I had to add that in. And I'm back out. Peace.